Good morning, children. Welcome to the science class. Today we are going to continue with the explanation of lesson 13, natural satellite of the earth. So already we have done natural satellites, the moon and about it, eclipses of the moon and sun. Now we are going to do the last topic of this chapter, artificial satellites and their uses. So let us learn what are artificial satellites. Artificial satellites. Like natural satellites, artificial satellites also revolve around the Earth in a fixed path. Just like Moon is a natural satellite and it revolves around the Earth in a orbit, just like that, artificial satellites are also launched in the proper orbit so that they don't collide with each other and get destroyed. They properly move around the Earth in a fixed path or orbit. They are launched with the help of rockets. These artificial satellites can be seen with the help of telescopes. Many countries have sent their satellites in space for various purposes. These purposes we are going to read later. Just now we have to see which satellites was launched first. So let us read. Sputnik 1 was world's first artificial satellite launched by Russian scientists in 1957. That time Russia was the most advanced country in space research. America later got advanced, but in that time Russia was the most advanced in space research. So in 1957, Russia was the first country to launch the artificial satellite and the name was Sputnik 1. It went around the earth for 6 months. Then in 1961, Major Yuri Gagarin of Russia was the first man in the world to go into space. Now here I have put the picture for Major Yuri Gagarin. You can see he was the first astronaut from Russia to go into space. Then Valentina Tereshkova of Russia was the first woman in the world to go into space. This is Valentina Tereshkova of Russia. She was the first woman to go into space. Then Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to go into space. That time Indira Gandhi was our prime minister when Rakesh Sharma went into space and he was the first Indian to go to space. Then Aryabhat was the first Indian satellite launched in 1975. So this is our first Indian satellite Aryabhat. You can see here and it was launched in 1975. Since then, many artificial satellites have been launched by India in space from time to time. They are Bhaskar, Rohini, Apple, INSAT 1A, INSAT 1B, INSAT 1C, etc. So all these are artificial satellites which are very useful. So let us read about the uses of artificial satellites. Uses of artificial satellites. Initially, satellites were launched for scientific research to collect information about Earth's atmosphere. Now, satellites are being used for many purposes. Satellites, which are used to send messages from one country to another, are called communication satellites. Signals of radio and television programs are sent from one country to another through communication satellites. So all these radio and television signals you can see now, Star Plus and HBO, all these are foreign channels, but we can see here in India because of the satellites, so that the signals can be passed on from one country to another. Then weather satellites are used to forecast weather conditions. You know, nowadays we know about the weather beforehand only, and it is a correct forecast because of the advanced, very advanced weather satellites. Then astronomers are also making use of satellites to study and take measurement of our solar system, stars and galaxies. So this is very useful in astronomical studies also. Then satellites have also helped in the field of telecommunication, education, earth study, etc. Telecommunication means mobile and all. They are very useful in sending the signals. Then in education also, internet you can use because of these satellites only, and you can use Google Maps because of that. You know the location, everything. So these are very useful in earth study, etc. And also where we will find oil or water or whatever it is, they study from there. Satellites are very useful. You can see here how the satellite is moving around the earth and sending the signals to the earth, and this dish is catching the signal and telecasting it to the other direction and to in other countries. Now, amazing fact is given in your book. Aboard the Soviet Sputnik 2, Laika, a dog, became the first animal to orbit the Earth. Laika died in space. Now you can see this dog Laika here. She was a bitch and she was were sent in Soviet Sputnik 2. Sputnik 1 was the first satellite, then Sputnik 2 was the second one, in which only this living object went. Only dog Laika was sent to the space. No other person was on the spaceship, and she died in the space while orbiting around the Earth. Now we'll read about the space travel. Astronauts have always inspired young people to go into space, but this is not an easy task. It requires lots of study about space and needs hard work and dedication. Special telescopes help them to study about space. Also, they have special introduction modules for working and keeping themselves alive. Special spacesuits are designed for them, which maintain a special atmosphere around their bodies. These help them to survive in space. They do different kinds of work inside and outside the space shuttle. Space shuttles can be used again and again and bring the spaceman back to the Earth, whereas rockets can be used only once. So, rockets cannot be used again, and these space shuttles are very advanced. They can go take the space astronauts to the space and then again bring them back. You can see here two astronauts and in their space suits. These are the special spacesuits which they have to wear in the space. Now this is conceptual canvas given in your books on page 129. So you do this in your book only. Okay. You can write the answers in front, small, and learn them. First one is, who was the first man to step on the moon? So it was Neil Armstrong. Then, which was the first artificial satellite of the Earth? Sputnik 1, which was sent by Russia. Then which satellite is used to send messages from one country to another? Answer is communication satellite. Then number 4, what is high tide? Answer, the gravity of the moon attracts the water on the surface of the earth and causes rise in the level of water in oceans and seas. This is called high tide. Question number 5. Give two uses of artificial satellites. Two uses are weather forecast and telecast of television programs. So these are the two uses of artificial satellites. So please children, do this in your book only. Do the reading and also write these answers in your book. Okay. Now the chapter is over. Next time we are going to do the exercises. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.